Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, so there's been a question out there recently. You see it in all kinds of cruise comments, all kinds of cruise forums. When is pre-cruise testing going to end for cruising, right? Everybody wants to know when that's going to happen. And today we may have taken the first step in ending that particular requirement. So, Viking Cruises, which includes both Viking Ocean Cruises and Viking River Cruises, well, they have officially announced they will no longer require a COVID-19 test prior to sailing. But there's a couple of caveats to this that you guys need to know about as well. Because remember, this is just step one and just a little baby step. So Viking is the very first major cruise line to lift this particular pre-cruise test requirement. And it does go into effect immediately. So if you have a cruise upcoming on Viking Cruises, you will not have to take a pre-COVID-19 test. However, if you are booked on the Viking Orion or the Viking Octanus, which sail from the United States and Canada, you will still have to take the COVID-19 test. So if you're sailing from the US, it is still a requirement. But if you are sailing on Viking Cruises from anywhere other than the US and Canada, this is no longer a requirement. So yeah, this is not affecting us here in the United States. This is affecting Viking in all of their other locations. But like I said, this is a first step. Because they're going to be watching to see what happens with Viking. Are they successful? Are there any changes from them not requiring a pre-COVID-19 test? And if it goes on and it's successful, well, then you could see that same policy being adopted by other cruise lines as we go forward. So like I said, baby step, but still a step forward. Now, the vaccine requirement for Viking is still in effect. So passengers still have to be vaccinated. Crew members still have to be vaccinated. Crew members will still be wearing masks on board the ship. And Viking will still be doing COVID-19 tests on board the ship for anybody that presents any type of symptoms. So the only change is that other than the 2 sailings from the United States, all other Viking cruise ships will no longer be requiring the COVID-19 test. So what do you guys think? Is this a good thing? Is this a bad thing? Is this at least a baby positive step forward for the future of cruising, whether it's worldwide or from the US? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and of course, let you know anytime one of our cruise news videos comes out. Hope everyone out there is having a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.